So I just went in being prepared for anything. I just went in ready and open. Um, right now, I'm just thankful because I've reached a higher level than I ever imagined that I could reach as far as being in the hair industry. And I'm just very grateful for it. So yeah.
Okay. So we know that a lot of people are following you now. They want to be the second you. Would you please give them some advice?
So if someone wants to pursue some of the things that I pursue, I would just recommend doing research on ways to pursue whatever it is that you want to do, and learning more about it, whatever it is, whether it's hair, makeup. If you want to do hair, learn. It's never too much you can learn. Keep practicing. Practice on yourself. Practice on your family. Practice on your friends, and take pictures. Record your journey. Don't be afraid to record your journey because that's what makes it great. A lot of people see me now with 50,000 followers, but everyone wasn't around when I was building up my portfolio. So those who see me building up my portfolio, they know the hard work I put in to get to this point now. So work hard, do research, practice.
Okay. We know that you are a very successful model. What made you decide to cross over to the hair industry?
So I've always been into hair, like since I was 10 years old. So hair and modeling and all that just kind of really went together. So being able to pursue my modeling dreams made me want to just pursue my hair dreams so that I can look how I'm supposed to look on that runway.
Perfect.
Okay. So we're very happy that your career goes to 0 to 1. 0 means
TedHair. I absolutely love TedHair. As I said earlier, I had been scoping TedHair out for about 3 years now, and it was just a moment of it was just a matter of timing as to when I was going to come and buy my purchase of wholesale wigs for me to sell. But after I came and bought my wigs, I just wanted to do more. Like it was a great energy. It was a great atmosphere. Before I even showed my face in the actual factory, I was texting back and forth with one of the ladies at the factory, and it was just literal, genuine inspiration, genuine motivational things, like just showing interest in helping me grow as a stylist and just showing what all they could bring to the table that could help me as a stylist and as an entrepreneur and as a woman selling wigs, like as far like down to like packaging, lashes, different little things. Like it's more than just the hair. So TedHair has just been an extremely supportive support system. Great business partners. Very open and just
Friends.
on the same page as me when it comes to just content and being creative and just doing the best we can. So I chose them because they are just the best. TedHair is the best, and I will always say that, and I appreciate TedHair so much for all the support. Thank you for this class. Thank you for allowing me to teach this class. I'm more than happy to do this. I've had a great time teaching this class. I look forward to doing more classes online, in person, in Chicago, in Atlanta, in New York, in Houston, everywhere. So this is just the beginning. But yeah, TedHair is amazing. That's why I chose them.